Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. I'll explain the JavaScript action in this short video. This action is for someone who is familiar with JavaScript. You can execute it from your automation scenario. In this first example, JavaScript is for locating the search box and typing text by finding element ID from the HTML source. So here he is finding the element ID. And then he's pasting the screenshot from the website for a verification image match. And then pasting the element ID in the script code area over here. And then just adding 3 seconds of delay. So the second example is simply displaying an alert window with the message. Now let's test run it. Okay, so you can try many other different JavaScript codes if you're familiar with the scripting language.